Hyde Hall's got a very splendid winter garden, and as we just look across you can see the cornice with all their colours, the grasses which give a very great effect as well. Miscanthus in the background there, and Calamagosis in the front, and here we have Hydrangea paniculata, again leaving their heads. A lot of people like the heads on, but others don't. Coming through, just focus in on a lovely viburnum, Farrai with its pinkish tones, absolutely very attractive indeed. Euonymus, using it as a green background to the seating area, and as we come forward, one of my favourite, I'm going to walk faster up to it because it's still one of my favourites, just coming into flower, we can see Daphnes. Daphne can work really well. I like them in pots actually, they seem to react better in pots than they do sometimes in the ground. Just coming into flower, if we look down we can see the flowers there just coming into their own. I'll pan up again and look at what else we got. And begonias still, the green turning into red. There's some really splendid. And Calicarpus that I've talked about before on World Radio Gardening in a cluster here, giving a background of those lovely purple flowers, well, purple berries on them. Let's go forward again, and again leaving, you've noticed a lot of the heads on the sedums at the back here. See the sedum just at the back there, plenty of sedum heads. Again giving a very attractive head. Sedums look good. Echinacea is another one that you can leave those seed heads on, which we see on the very top there. That's looking really good. And plenty of grasses to give that winter effect there. Achilleas. Let's just home in on the Achillea there. There's Achillea with their flat heads there. And moving up, of course, you can always got the grasses that don't lose any colour, any leaf at all. They're not a problem. And over here we've got some Edgeworthii chrysantha with their blooms just dropping down there, looking pretty good. Let's move forward then, and it makes you realise how you can make an area quite attractive in winter as well as in summer. The chorus giving this lovely effect across the ground here, and onwards. I'm going to walk quickly across the green band here because you can see some cornice up front that has been woven, even more being woven. We've got the on the right and left we've got nandinas with their bright red going leaves. They will drop a little bit of leaf. Sedums behind again with their lovely heads here, and looking through we've got Photinias, and there, just to finish you off on the winter garden, look at those splendid cornices woven into a pattern. And I'll leave you with cornice because if I pan round we see cornice and grasses. Yeah, there's another RHS garden to go and have a look at. Hyde Hall. Don't forget, you can find out more gardening, more and more gardening information all the time. Send your answers and questions in to us. Let's hear about your gardens. We want to hear from you. worldradiogardening.com